Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jingkren Jong Tuliram ronghang kanyarap bante lakam ye ka jingye ka jia. Konrad sangma uliyat ru ba hadin kato ka Jingkren Jong ronghang ulayo ru banyak keren baru menteri rangba ka jela Asam o Himanta Biswa Sarma ha ka ban kalyang jong uru ulaong bakum gini ki Jingkren kim dai ban mi henrei kin don ki breu shimet ki ba keren la ka dai na ka jela jongi ne na ka waipat kalyang ula bendrap ru da ka baong Hagabak hado kan syong hagajingnya keren jong ki arngut ki menteri rangba banyak keren.
We do not appreciate these statements, to be very frank. These are times when we're having challenges, and these statements don't help the situation at all. And of course, after that, I had a direct talk with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has also told me that these statements should not be made. But I think what is important is that there will be individuals and people from different levels who will keep making statements, whether it's from our side or from their side. But I think ultimately it is the leadership at the level of the chief ministers. I think those are the statements that should be looked at as the stand of any government. And I think all the other statements being made by others are made at their level. And it's something that, as I said, I don't want to comment too much on those things. But as I said, for me, the discussion is at the chief minister's level and at the home minister's level. So at that level, the home minister has himself, and also the chief minister of Assam has also told that these kind of things should not happen. And from my side, as I said, I would like to maintain that the stand of the two chief ministers is what the official stand of the two governments is.